All right, in this lesson we're going to write rules for sequences. And you've had experience with this when you've come up with some linear equations given a sequence of numbers. So this is not unfamiliar to you. So example 2 says describe the pattern and write the next term. Well, hopefully you're looking at this and you're seeing, I see a cube here. 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, correct? And the problem is they're always negative. So to force the negative, I've got to basically, each of these has to be a negative in front of it. I'm cramping here, I know. But you can't put the negative in there with the cube. Oh, that would work actually, yeah. So you can do, yeah, so you can take the number itself. So it'd be -1 cubed, right? -2 cubed, because it's an odd number, it's always going to be negative. That's what they want. So again, I'm thinking this out as I'm doing it. I'm doing it on the fly. So how would you write that rule? Well, you can say something like, f of n equals, let's see, -n cubed. Yeah, put a 1 there, you get -1. Put 2 there. Again, because it's always an odd 3 here, it's always going to be a negative. So that works. So there's your rule. On the next one, let's see. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Oh, by the way, they want the next number. I see this, write the next term. Well, it's going to be 5 cubed, which is what, 125. So it's going to be -125 in my case here, okay, for that one. Forgot that. All right, so look at this next one here. 2 times 3 times 2, 4 times 3. Okay, so if you look at this, this is 2 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 4. Next one's going to be 4 times 5, 5 times 6. Do you hear what I'm saying? So, again, I'm just sort of, so f of n, I'm going to take the number n times n minus 1. So I'm going to put a 1 in here. 1 times, put a 1 here. 1 times 0 is 0. I put a 2 here. 2 times 1 is 2. I put a 3 here. 3 times 2 is 6. Yeah, that's the rule for that also. So you have to kind of write, that's why I'm scribbling all over this. You have to write things down with the numbers. And you know that you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 for these. And, 1, 2, 3, 4 over here as well. So writing those down with the answers there, or the numbers in the series, helps you see the connection. My approach is always, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. And what's 5 going to be? So what am I doing to these? Or what am I adding each time? So I can see I'm adding 5. I'm thinking we can, since, each of these are 5 apart, multiply each of these by 5. So 5 times 1 is going to be 5, and this is 10, and this is 15, and this is 20, and that would be 25. Now how do you get from 20 down to 16, or 15 to 11, and 10 to 6, and 5 to 1? Well, you subtract 4. So my rule for number 15, zoom in here, f of n is going to equal, multiply times 5 times the n, so 5n, and subtract 4. Yeah. So again, by writing this out like this, I put numbers. I put my 1, my 2, my 3, my 4, my 5 here with the numbers, and figure out how to get close down here. And this is how I do it. If there's a better way, please show me. I'll try another couple here with you to help you out. Number 19. Again, this is going to be the first, second, third, and fourth. So clearly seeing times, yeah, the 2's always on top, correct? So, and the bottom's is going to be n times 3, I think. So let's try this. So f of n equals, it's always a 2 on top. Yeah, 3 times n. So 1, 2, 6, and 9. Yeah, that's pretty simple actually. So again, this is going to be the first one. This is the second, third, fourth, and fifth. Oh, by the way, for these problems I've done so far, they want you to find the next number. You guys can do that part pretty easily, I think, because you have the rule. Let's see, what are we doing here? We're cubing the number. Yeah. So look, if I cube each of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I cube 1, I get 1. I cube 2, I get 8. I cube 3, I get 27. I cube 4, I get 64. And do you see how close they all are to those numbers? Just to add 1. So again, so f of n equals n cubed plus 1. N cubed plus 1. Yeah. So that's rule writing, folks. So, and there'll be some homework for you to do with these as well. Good luck.